Let's hope Carol can start with a positive. She's got the latest weather for us. Carol.
Good morning, both. Good morning to you too. Yesterday, as you well and truly know now, we had a new national record for temperature in the UK. It was in Coningsby in Lincolnshire. It reached 40.3 Celsius. The first time we have ever seen anything of 40 or above in the UK, and at least 34 sites in England beat the previous record of 38.7 Celsius. Also in Scotland, it reached 34.8 Celsius in Charterhall. This too beat the Scottish national temperature record that was set a couple of years ago.
We're keeping our fingers crossed, Carol, that they're heading in the right direction.
They certainly are, Nina. Yes. Good morning, everybody. If you're just stepping out, though, these are the temperatures that will greet you. So it still is a warm start to the day for many of us. Now, another thing about today's weather is the Met Office has a yellow weather warning out for thunderstorms. This is the area that's covered. They're likely to develop as we go through the course of the afternoon, and they could be torrential. But not all of us, of course, will see one. And tomorrow's maximum temperatures up to 25 degrees, so hugely different, Nina and John, compared to yesterday and, of course, Monday as well.
Only 25?
Oh, you get your coat out then, John, and tell you after what you've been used to.
Scarf and mittens, we're ready. Thank you, Carol.
That is the difference between it being stiflingly hot and actually being able to go outside and enjoy it a little bit.
That's totally true, totally true. And after a couple of very hot days out at different locations, Carol's back in the studio this morning with the aircon, just for it to cool down outside. You've timed this all wrong.
It's what you call sod's law, isn't it, John? Good morning, everybody. And John is quite right. It's been hot in the last couple of days, as you well know. Yesterday, we had the highest temperature ever recorded in the UK in Coningsby in Lincolnshire. It reached 40.3 Celsius, but at least 34 sites beat the previous record of 38.7 Celsius.
Let's have a look then at how yesterday's temperatures compared to previous UK records. So the summer of 76 saw a scorching heat wave that lasted for the best part of 2 months and set a new record high of 35.9 degrees.
Yeah, and that record was held until 2003 when it was surpassed by nearly 2.5 degrees.
The 21st century has so far seen consistently higher temperatures. 3 years ago, another record high of 38.7 was set in Cambridge.
And then that was beaten yesterday by some distance as well, wasn't it? With highs now over 40 degrees recorded in more than 30 places across England.
That's what one of the experts was saying to you yesterday, isn't it? It's the rate at which they're increasing now, which is really scary.
And the number of places as well.
Exactly. And scientists say heat waves like this are becoming more and more likely.